It's a popular brand of tires that just might be on your family's car. Last summer, the Cooper Tire Company recalled thousands of its Dominator Sport model tires. But as KPRC Local 2 investigative reporter Robert Arnold shows us, some claim that recall didn't go far enough.
Car started whipping violently.
All of a sudden, it's like it caught on something.
Last July, Ronnie and Laura Baumfalk were driving along I-10 through Mississippi when the tread on one of their back tires separated.
I thought it was just a regular blowout at first until it started whipping so hard from side to side.
Baumfalk's father was the one who was driving, and this accident report shows how the SUV lost control and rolled over, landing in a ditch.
I was looking at my stomach and my body was bent backwards, and I had a tire on top of me and she was on top of the tire.
I was sitting there trying to figure out, is my son okay? Do I help my husband? Do I help my son? And I was just in shock.
Baumfalk's father was thrown from the SUV and suffered a near-fatal brain injury. Nearly 3 months later, he's still in rehab.
He talks very slow, it's very different, and he can't stand or walk right now.
This tire on the Baumfalk's SUV is a Cooper Dominator Sport AT.
It needs to be recalled, but it hasn't been recalled.
David Bickham is the Baumfalk's attorney.
Hopefully it won't take more incidents like this one to finally compel Cooper to recall this tire as well.
Earlier this year, Cooper did recall more than 91,000 Dominator Sport tires amidst an investigation by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA. Although Cooper reported it found no defects, it recalled the tires because of a high rate of belt separation. But the recall only involved one size of the Dominator Sport model. The tire on the Baumfalk's SUV is a different size of the same model and not part of the recall. The government has since closed its investigation.
For example, you have a size 8 shoe. You recall the size 8, but you don't recall the size 8.5, which is made the same way. That doesn't make any sense.
Attorney Rob Ammons represents the family of Juan Gonzalez. He was killed and his father suffered permanent brain damage when their truck flipped over on I-45. This accident report shows Gonzalez lost control of his truck when the tread on his tire separated. This is the actual tire. It's also a Dominator Sport AT, but a different size than the one recalled.
The failure mechanism that we're seeing with these tires is exactly the same. Tread belt separation, where the tread and the top steel belt comes off.
Cooper maintains there is no problem with its tires. A statement from the company reads, although exhaustive testing and analysis found no design or manufacturing defect in our Dominator tires, we decided to recall them voluntarily because some data showed a higher rate of property tire claims. There were no fatalities and only one accident with injuries reported with these tires. It is our understanding that NHTSA, which continually monitors data on all automotive products, has no pending investigation involving any Cooper tires, and that it is not looking at our company any closer than any other tire company. We want to assure your viewers that we make quality, durable, safe tires. All tires, however, must be properly inspected and maintained, and underinflation is the leading cause of tire failure.
When we spoke with NHTSA, we were told while there is no formal investigation, it is keeping a close eye on failure rates involving Cooper tires. In fact, we got a call this morning from the government asking how it could obtain the information we uncovered with these two accidents. Robert Arnold, KPRC Local 2.
Now, if you've experienced a problem with any tire, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration wants to hear from you. The number to call is 888-327-4236. We also put a link to the administration's website on ours at click2houston.com. You'll find it by going right there to the hot button.